Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Kaspa video update today. And I'm looking at Kaspa right now. So since yesterday we've been consolidating after a move to the upside here, but I'm a little bit cautious that we might just drop down here. Okay, now I've mentioned the reason why we could be dropping down there, and simply that's good, that's healthy on the daily. As I told you before, that you've broken out of this resistance there, resistance here, you broke out, and we need a retest. This is just a drop of a retest. It doesn't mean anything wrong. And especially now that you have been printing out this bearish, yesterday, you have this green candle, red candle next to it. Combining these two is negative. Now, if you, however, break above here and go like this, then you are looking to basically just continue all the way to the target. And I'm going to actually get into the details of the breaking as well. So I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame, and here's how actually let's dive into the 1 hour as well. So in the 1 hour, this is what I'm looking forward to, the following. So I'm going to take out the trend line and putting in this trend line, one there, and I'm going to put another trend line here as well. So it goes from there to there and from there to there. Now you can see that one can say that yes, there's a pennant about to happen, and if this pennant does play out, we're looking to get here, break this and backtest and actually move to the upside. And when you do that, we're going to be moving on with the technical target that goes from there to there, and we might actually just move up to 5.3, actually 5.3, 5.37. That's the technical target that I'm looking forward to, and that's actually expected because this is the main target that we might potentially get for Kaspa. Now at the moment, the maximum time we have to probably see is until 4th of August. If today's 3, then we're looking for the time until tomorrow. And if the break happens down like this, then I'm pretty sure you're taking this out and you're looking for a move to the downside. You can actually, if you do have some profits, if it breaks down, then you're good to go all the way to the downside. Take your profits, maybe make another opportunity when it actually moves down. And then when you come down here, you have an opportunity to move back up again. Okay, so it's very, very simple trading. But my eyes are actually on the retest, and I'm more interested to get an entry if this retest becomes a successful one, because I'm waiting for a move all the way to the moon for Kaspa once again. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.